mga higala, good morning! Welcome back again to my channel. So today, Sabado, kakagising ng namin, kakagising ko lang. Asa na si Kiara? Ayan, andyan, naka-backdrop pa. So, Sabado ngayon, nagluluto ako ng waffles. Kasi gusto ni Kiara mag-waffles. Ayan, oh. Yung ready mix lang yung ginawa ko para madali, no? Ready mix lang. So, ready na yung ating machine. Yung ready mix lang yung ating gagawin para mabilis lang yung ating breakfast. So, mabilis na yung ating pagluto. So, makaka-breakfast tayo agad. So, after namin mag-breakfast, punta kaming IKEA. So, samahan nyo kami gala-gala ulit sa IKEA. Ready na siya. Ready for IKEA? Ready for IKEA? Yes? But we need to eat first. Oh! Breakfast? Huh? Oh, son. What's that? Show mommy. Show mommy. What is P for? Papa. Papa. Good job. What else? P.
You want pay to doing a pizza? Pizza.
Very good. What else? So, naluto na mga higala ang ating waffles. Ito yung maliit na tira waffles. Kiara, are you ready to eat waffles na? Kiara. Kiara.
It's rubber.
Waffles. It's hot.
Mommy.
Yes?
Blow?
Yeah, blow. Yeah, we're gonna blow that. Okay. Get one and blow. You're such a cutie. Mommy will get some silk to tie.
Yes.
Strawberry jam.
Yes, cherry.
Ocean. Ocean. Strawberry jam.
Yes, strawberry jam.
Okay. Let's get it. Oh, the strawberry jam is down there. Agay pa itaning. Mabuti pa. Si Yurbar. Gubot kayo. Gubot kayo. Here's your jam. Bobs. Bobsen. Stop watching ba? Okay, we're gonna eat na. What's that? You cannot open? Say, Mommy, help. Hold it here from the bottom. There you go. And then we're gonna have your plate first, okay? Let's have your plate. Where's Kiara's plate? There. Yes, please. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze right now. Here's your waffle. You want the big one or the small one?
A small one.
A small one? Okay, Mama took the big one. Open, please, this one. Please, open. Wait. We need to open this. Son. And then you squeeze. Okay. Bottoms down. Shake first and then you squeeze. Oh, that's a good one. Okay. Help Mommy. Okay, Mommy will help you.
Mommy, do you happy?
I'm so happy, Kiara. Do you want Mommy to make a happy face, you mean? Okay, that's one eye. This is the nose. And this is the mouth. Is it happy face now? Is it a happy cat? Look. Is it a happy cat? What will you say? No, you need to lock it. Oh, you need to blow. I'm sorry. It's still hot, Kiara.
No more hot.
No more hot? Okay. Okay. Let's eat. Okay, mga higala. Mag-ngaon sa kami or mag-breakfast muna kami, ha? Hintay pa namin yung papa niya kasi andun sa labas. Inaayos yung sasakyan. Kasi may hiniram kasi siya sa sasakyan, yung bago ngayon. Tinry niya.
Heart. Mommy, do the heart.
No, no, no. It's too much. You can have it later for the other waffle, okay? Just eat first this one. Yeah, may hiniram kasi siya. Tapos kahapon niya hiniram. Na-try ko din kasi para daw yung sa akin. Pero hindi ko alam kasi ayaw kong palitan yung sasakyan ko. Ayaw kong palit ng palit, no? Sayang lang yung gastos. Yeah. So, hinihintay pa namin yung papa niya para kakain ngayon. Pero mag-fry pa din ako ng egg para sa papa niya. So, kain muna tayo, guys, mga higala. Kiara, where are we going? Where are we going? No? Are you not going to IKEA? Yeah, IKEA. Yay! So, nandito na kami sa aming sasakyan. We're going to IKEA. See you there! Hi! Sätter de mig? Ja, det kan vi bruka. Ja. Vad jobbar du med? Huh? Son.
Okay.
Ito daw. Or this one? Which type? You want this one? Vill du lägga där? Okej, ja. Den är fin. Massa plats, ja, det stämmer. Okay, Kiara, we're gonna choose this one. This is lion. Fin. No. Ja. Där och... Oh ja, den är prisen? 1500. Yeah. Okay, we take this one. It's nice. You have a new saying, Nakira. It's a Lego. Okay. Spint. Oh, that's the prison there. That's the price. This is a nice one. Oi, Kiara, this is Triceratops. Triceratops. Yellow. Nice. Oh, yeah. Den kan passa till Oh, wow. Hi. Hi, little princess. Hi, little princess. Hi. It's cool? Dotted. You love your singna? What are you doing? Are sleeping? Okay, put your head on the... Uy, forsiktig. Okay, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. You're sitting down. You're not laying down. Broker Dina. Dina. Nay? Okay, come on. Let's go. Oj, hon sover. Ja. Godnatt. Sov gott. Drömma sött. Ses imorgon. Ayan mga higala, pauwi na kami. Ito na yung aming nabili na bed ni Kiara. Bumili din kami ng bagong tawag nito, mattress. Kasi hindi nakasya yung maliit niya na bed. Ito yung bed na assemble ko mamaya. So, sana ba yun? Kumuha. Andun si Kiara, assistant, kinuha muna yung sasakyan. Ayan, assistant. Paparating na. Waiting na for the pick up. eto na yung bed ni Kiara na na-assemble ko, mga higala. So, maliit muna ha kasi ganyan na siya ang size niya ngayon. Nilipat ko din yung table niya dito, magulo pa pero okay na. Yan yung room. Ito yung malaking beds. So, eto na siya. Ready na. Se på henne da. Han sover allerede på sengen si. Hæ? Hallo? Koser du på sengen? Oi. Kus? Ja, ganahan ka sa imuhang lik. Gusto mo sengen mo? Gusto mo yung bed mo? Sus, nagkusa-kusa naman, oy. Gusto niya yung seng niya. Kiara? You love your seng? You love your bed? Say hi!
Hi.
Kunin mo to. Bakit nag-baby-baby ka na naman? Hi!
No.
It's okay. So, ang galing-galing ng anak ko, no? Tingnan mo, diba? Gustong-gusto niya yung bed niya. Ha? Gustong-gusto yung bed niya. Yeah? Wukus? Oh. Galing-galing. Gustong-gusto yung bed niya, oh. Mga higala, ito yung nabili namin kanina sa IKEA. Gustong-gusto niya yung bed niya. Ayan, nagkusa-kusa na siya. So, mga higala, yun lang yung day namin today. Saturday. Gumala lang kami sa IKEA. Ano ba yan? Grabe naman yung noo ko. Gumala lang kami sa IKEA. Tapos, yun na. Nag-assemble ako ng bed niya. Ano ba yan? Ang dami naman. Yeah. Yun lang mga higala. I'm gonna close this vlog. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit like and notification bell for more coming updates. Yes! Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Love lots. Bye-bye.